Go to dig yam bank or you go to spark through.
Just me look some saucy for make some roots.
Because they use the roots, man, you know.
My name Yellow, King Yellow.
Oh, King Yellow.
Yeah.
Alright, King Yellow, for real.
Advice.
Advice.
Saucy Perla. This is one that crawl in your vein them. Yeah, same as you see, you hang up a same you go through your vein them.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hurt.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. As you can see, the sun is shining. The weather is sweet, as what the songwriter said. Stick around. I'm going to show you, give you some information and a little piece of land that someone is going to farm on. So I'm going to show you where the land is and how it's situated. So stick around. Don't touch the remote. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, right around is the hills, because I am down into the valley. All right, as you can see over there, there's a rock. There's a rock over there. Yeah, there's a rock over there. Yeah, but as you can see, my viewers, right around is the hills, because I'm down in the valley. All right, as you can see here, it's a nice piece of flat land here full of grass. But someone is gonna come to do some farming here. So as you can see, it's a nice piece of land here. Yeah, very much flat. All right. So the first comment the person have to do is gonna get some spray. You know, don't know the name of the spray what he's going to use, but he's going to get some water at this location. Yeah, buy some jug, fill up some jug with water. Come here, and then he's gonna carry spray and his spray pan, and he's gonna spray right around, right through here. Yeah, killing out all these grass here. So after killing out all these grass here, leave them to dry. After them dry, he's gonna burn them. You know what I mean? So after burn, that is where he's gonna come through now with his spark and dig up and try to do some work. All right. So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. All right. Yes, my viewers, come through, man. Yes, my viewers, as I was saying, farming. Yeah, Rasta, what on?
Yeah, no, Papa.
What you say? You don't go up on the farming?
Yes, man, I'm on the farm. Dig up some dirt here now.
Oh, you mean, man? Where you go to dig yam bank or you go to spark through?
Just me look some saucy for make some roots.
Because they use the roots, man, you know. So all right, with the roots, you know, the tonic roots, you know, you can name some of the herbs when you dig up and put
man,
together.
I can name them. I name them when I deal with them.
All right.
Yeah, me call you and make you sort them out.
All right, Rastafari. What's your name again?
My name Yellow, King Yellow.
Oh, King Yellow.
Yeah.
All right, King Yellow, for real.
Advice.
Advice.
Yeah.
For real, man.
Yeah.
You hear that, my viewers? Talking to King Yellow. Otherwise, advice.
Yes.
The original roots, man.
Yeah.
All right, so he's gonna look some roots now. So when he find them, I'm gonna give you back that video. All right,
yeah.
my viewers, just stick around for that video. All right, what do you mean, Rasta?
Pause.
Yeah, man, for real. Guidance here.
All right, Papa.
For real, man. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about King Yellow passing through. You know what I mean? Going to the hills to do some digging. So yes, my viewers, the roots man is back.
Yeah.
What is that now?
Saucy Perla. This is one that crawl in your vein them.
Oh.
Feed the blood, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saucy Perla.
So me have some more of those things. So when me sort them out, me make a video, them send them up, you know.
All right, Yellow.
Just show a sample of it, you know.
Yes, Saucy Perla.
Yeah.
You just freshly dig it.
Yeah. Same as you see, you hang up a same you go through your vein them.
Yes, for real, man.
Yeah.
You hear that, my viewers?
See there.
All right. Yeah, man. Saucy Perla.
Yeah.
Cool. Seeing? So yes, my viewers, soon as you dig the rest, we're gonna sit here and see them and know them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, yeah. Make the organic roots.
Yeah.
All right, my viewers. As I was saying, after burn the grass, yeah, after you come through and you dig up, fork it up, do whatever you're gonna do to plant all your herbs and so forth. You understand? So yes, it's all about farming. So it's good to burn the dirt because when you burn the grass after you spray it, it kills all the insect in the soil. You know what I mean? Because most of the insect in the soil live on the plants. If you plant a banana sucker, they're gonna live on it, you know, can't get it to flourish as much. But when you burn it, that's it, you get rid of them. The insect don't crawl on the ashes that burn. You know what I mean? So yeah, it is good for the plant also. So yes, it's all about farming. You know, it's all about, I'm doing farming from day one, you know, over the years I've been doing farming. You know what I mean? So still in it, you know, still at it, right? Right about now, as you can see, we have some cocoa here. So you can see that farm was here. Farm was here from back in the time, you know. Yeah, this cocoa we call them left man cocoa. Yeah, as you can see the color on it. Yeah, left man cocoa. Them say the reason why the cocoa get the name left man is all about a lady couldn't peel the cocoa, you know. Yeah, so the man left her. So them call it left man cocoa. Alright? Yeah, it have a, when you dig the cocoa out, it have a blue color, just like on the leaf here. It have a blue color, purple color looking on the bottom of the cocoa. Yeah, this is one of my special cocoa, you know what I mean? Yeah, I have some plant at home there, trust me. You don't want to dig that cocoa, man. Out of one root to get all 12. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. So when you're doing farming, you know, you have to spray the grass, leave it for a time, and then you burn it. Leave it for a time, you come back and you plow through. After you plow through, you leave it again. That's the sun. Burn it, you know. Get it to normalize to become organic topsoil so that you can plant. You know what I mean? So yeah, at Jamaican Farmers Hut, there's a lot you learn. So it's all about farming. See? So yes, my viewers, if you're new to the channel, you're learning something. Alright? So after you're watching a video, enjoying it, you learn something same time. So yes, my viewers, it's all about. I'm gonna show you some of the grass that's spray already here. As you can see, over here is very green, but over here, as you can see, because it's spray. Yeah. So you see like how it dry now? When the time is very dry, it is nice to burn. Once you light the fire at one end, it burn and go right through. You know what I mean? After burn, it is time for cultivation, man. You know what I mean? Get cracking, go on your fork, your pick on your hoe. Start to do some digging. Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about. My name is Ever Slick. Right about now, I'm gonna be out. So look for me in the next video. Alright? Next time around. So if you want to watch a next video, you can watch this one here. If not, you don't feel like to watch that one, you can watch this one over here. Alright? So yeah, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Peace. One love. Yeah. It goes so man. Yeah.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant sweet pepper, we are plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican Farmers Hut gone abroad. We are moved from hut to hut. Banana start to ripe at time like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We are move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, a time to get good. Jamaican farmers.